NS bike. Stoked. I got a bit excited, so it's already been played with, already started building. So yeah, thought I'd do a little build video. This is an absolute dream setup, and what a sick colour, so let's get into it. The toolbox of choice. We've got the Toe Peak toolbox, it's super good. Just pull it all apart like that, get all your shelves, slide them out of the way till you find what you want. So, headset install. What you want to do is grab the biggest hammer you can find, which would be this one. Just put your cup in. Oh. It's not going too well. Oh, this is actually... Wonderful. Just going to make sure that's in there. You don't want it to come out. And that's why you don't put grease on it. It can never come out. Make sure it gets itself stuck right in there. Yes, like a glove. There we go. Some muck off grease. The best stuff because it's pink. What's this for? Who knows? You can probably put it in headsets though. Wait, maybe. Oh, that's a big problem. Well, that's not good. My gyro doesn't fit. Okay. Okay, well, I guess this leaves me with one choice. Because I need to build the bike, we can figure out the brake at a later date. So for now, brakeless. Right. Ooh, they might be old and a bit scratched, but that looks a million times better. Let's look at these. Little Pembry pedals. Which one's this one? How does one know? Oh, it's got a big R on it. That's probably a giveaway. Tighten up. Right. Oh, look at the new Halo wheels. I've got the Scouter rims on, which are kind of more of a trail rim, but I'm loving them. They're a bit wider, feel a bit stronger. And the new purple hubs with the new driver, which I can't remember what it's called, but it's good. And it sounds cool. That's all that matters. bad boy out the stand. So other than the brake being on, it's all done. Got it fully built up, and I think it's my favourite bike ever. All that fancy Pembury stuff. NS frame. Some random purple headset. Fingers in the way. Zocchi's Halo wheels. Their new fresh purple hubs. Ooh, looks good. I'm gonna try and go home and find a gyro. So if I finish it off, I'll update. If not, I think I'm gonna head to Skatepark tomorrow and ride. And then disassemble the bike again and put it in a bike bag and head to New Zealand. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the skate park. Vlogging it up. Go on, Chris. We've arrived. Skate parks. I'm a bit late, per usual.
That's not the last go, that one.
Oh no. The steed. We got brake fitted. Some muck off colour themes going on. What do you reckon, Chris?
What?
The bike.
It looks slick.
Nice.
Better than the old black one.
Yeah, the old black's boring. Yeah, D-side skate park, never been. So, have a cruise about, see what happens. Oh, I switched cams to the new GoPro. Oh!
There we go.
I don't know if this footage looks dodgy on this cam. Hopefully that looks good. That was good, that. Chris is on. Yeah, I don't know what this one's like. It's like the new mini one. New mini GoPros. So, gonna give her a go. Put you on my helmet. Right, round two. Brake doesn't work. It's just... need a new one. Oh. Whoa, slippy tyres. I'm a bit nervous. Alright, feels good. Oh. Right, so I had a cruise around with a GoPro on and rode the park a bit. Now we got wonderful Chris Barlow filming me because he's just the best.
Sad man.
That's such a good angle.
Yeah, no, I don't even know if you can see me, but...
Why, is it on one?
Yeah.
Probably not. What was I saying? I don't know. Just gonna ride bikes for like an hour. Quick power hour on the new whip. See how she does, see if I break it. But yeah, we'll go from there. So we'll just start with some box tricks. Should I do first, Chris?
I reckon you got a triple truck in you.
Yay! Oh yeah. I was just riding, I was like, where's my brake lever here? You can just... adjustable position lever.
It's just what you want.
Great feature. No worries.
What a nice young man.
I help out everyone, we don't discriminate. Scooter riders, anyone. We love them all.
There you
Not
go.
the kids though, that's weird.
Just had to specify that.
Yeah, it's
Disclaimer, we don't
so
love
we love
kids.
them all and I just helped a child. Probably not allowed to make jokes like that.
Oh well. Easy.
So good. What next? What nollie trick or step up trick next?
Only thing I can think of is a nollie whip, but that's quite technical.
Switch whip first,
Yeah.
nollie whip after. Then we'll try some 180s.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully I don't go
That's
down
what the
stairs.
people want to see, 180s.
No, it's not. It's just going to work.
Nah, the people want to see fakies. Matt Jones can't do it and you can, so.
I'm worse than Matt at faking.
Nah, you ain't. Nice. Well, at least you were committed to leaning over the bars.
Gee whiz. There's no tail whip, but it's a solid nollie.
Yeah.
Nollie.
Nose. Yeah. See, what was all that stressing about?
Like a nose manny knack tail whip as
Yeah,
well.
it was sick, that.
Hey. Dial boys, I reckon.
There you go.
I'm ready.
Oh, lads.
Swear, my headset's loose, that's why.
Yeah, man. Of course.
Maybe it's not loose. It's not loose.
Sounds pretty dialed. Just excuses for nothing. You should have committed to just doing it on this quarter.
Lad, I would have died.
I would have been.
I wanted to do it for her. But if you couldn't tell, that would have been rear wheel delete. Chris reckons it's time for 180s.
It's what the people want to see.
I'm gonna have a sore ass.
Nah, you'd be sad.
I'm not, no, it's gonna hurt. What 180 trick first? Can't just do a 180, that's too.
I was gonna say just 180, but like if you want to do a 180 bar, go for it.
Might just do 180 double bar. Like, realistically, it's
It's the same thing.
pretty much.
Go on then.
Oh, yeah, true. Why am I trying it?
Lad, what did you do? Man down.
That's pure bum skin.
Bum skin.
I'm maybe more hip skin. I've had it like the... I thought
Well,
it was going to be so good.
The 180 was sound. You just decided to fake it on an angle to a quarter.
It's slipping this bike now.
Ah,
She needs to get the mop out.
dustpan and brush.
Wall wound.
Shit.
That's a stinger. I need a bandage.
That's gonna hurt in shower.
Yeah, true.
Oh well. You did the 180. You should have. You'd have just done a cab if you'd have done 2 bars, I reckon.
I wanted the fakey switch bar out.
It's gonna be tight to this.
Imagine 180 triple bar fakey switch.
Yeah, go on then. You've called it now, live on camera. You've got to do it.
I'm not doing it. I'd be hyped on that though. That would be a clip.
It would be. Straight on gram.
Straight on it.
Lad.
Come on then.
What, is that skin?
That's skin.
I just thought that was a sweat mark.
No, it's like raw juice, I think.
Okay.
That's like my bodily fluids. Like skin and blood and stuff all mixed in.
Heavy.
That hurt, I'm not joking.
Oh well. Well, if you just do it now, it's not going to hurt again, is it?
Well, true. If I don't crash, it won't hurt.
Exactly.
That's what they're telling me. Right, come on then. Sick of this.
Right, so you know where the quarter is now.
But I still didn't land it.
Well, the fakie didn't hurt, so
Pure heart over
there you
it.
go.
Chris's motivational quote.
Now you just have to do a switch bar.
There was time for 3 bar spins there.
There was so much time for 3 bar spins.
That's why I got scared.
Shit. Well,
I want this. I
get
need
it.
it.
Get it then.
Right, we're gonna have 15 minutes of the session left, so this has to happen. Whether I go home with a sore ass, which I already am gonna, but even sore or what. Or I can clip for once. So I'm gonna give it like 3 before it goes. Then the 180 triple bar fakie. I'll probably just take a fakie out to be honest, but if we get a trick
Well,
out.
yeah, if you've done a triple, that's plenty.
Can't really just fake it out, can I?
You can. Oh my god. Oh no. What'd you do?
Toe under bottom down tube.
But
Toe in between crank and frame.
that old chestnut
Ow!
happens to the best of us.
Oh, it's because my right foot slipped.
Yeah, it was fucking. Yeah.
Ow! You
Go on. Oh my god, lad.
Hey, it was sketches. Oh, that one hurt my foot as well.
Yeah, but you
Well, I don't
fucking
care.
did it like. Is that a new learn?
I don't think I've ever done a 180 triple bar. I think I've tried them.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Fucking
I
right.
don't even know.
New bike, new learns.
It's
There you
every
go.
time, isn't it? New
You
bike,
get
new
something.
trick.
Yeah, you get something new and you just do something mad. Well
That was it,
then.
actually. Oh. Right, we've had a solid little session, like just over an hour probably. Power hour, testing out the new bike. Having to adjust some things loose and whatnot. So yeah, it was good. Excited to head to New Zealand. And yeah, stoked on the new build. Just gonna get a few more clips and then that'll be the video done. Thanks for watching. Right, what are we gonna do?
Yeah, man. Easy.